Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Yabaz Science Center. So today I'm going to discuss MCQs on organometallic compounds, and I hope that you all have subscribed my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification for all our upcoming videos. So let's start with the topic. So our first question is, the bond present in organometallic compounds is HM, CM, any of the above or none of the above. So the correct option is option number B, which is CM, because the bond present in organometallic compound is the bond between the carbon and the metal. Next question is, the formula of Grignard reagent is RLIX, RZNX, RMGX or RPBX. So the formula of Grignard reagent is RMGX. So our correct option will be option number C. Next question. The tendency of halides to form Grignard reagent is. So the correct option of this question will be option number C, because the tendency of iodine is maximum and the tendency of chlorine is minimum. Next question. The formation of Grignard reagent slows down as the number of carbon atom in alkyl halide decrease, increase, remains same, none of the above. So the correct option will be option number B, increase, and the formation of Grignard reagent slows down because the steric hindrance due to the more number of carbon atom on alkyl halide. So the correct option will be option number B. Next question. Grignard reagent form vinyl or aryl halides can be prepared by using Grignard reagent from vinyl or aryl halides can be prepared by using dry ether, THF, which is also known as tetrahydrofuran, both or none. So the correct option will be option number B, THF. Next question. The most accepted mechanism for formation of Grignard reagent is addition reaction, substitution reaction, free radical, or all of the above. So the correct option will be option number C, free radical. Next question. Which of the following statements regarding formation of Grignard reagent is wrong? The reactant should be absolutely dry. Ether used as solvent must be free from alcohol. An atmosphere of moist nitrogen should be maintained in reaction system, or none of these. So the option number C is wrong, because an atmosphere of dry nitrogen should be maintained in reaction system. Next question. Grignard reagent reacts with carbonyl group to form acid, alcohol, ether or ester. So our correct option will be option number B, which is alcohol. Next question. Grignard reagent reacts with active hydrogen containing compounds to form alkane, alkene, alkyne or none of the above. So our correct option will be option number A, which is alkane. Next question. Grignard reagent reacts with alkyl halide to form. So our correct option will be option number B, because this alkyl halide is an active hydrogen containing compound, so it will form alkane. Next question. Secondary alcohol can be prepared by using Grignard reagent and formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, acetone or all of the above. So our correct option will be option number B, acetaldehyde, because with formaldehyde we can prepare primary alcohol, and with acetone we can prepare tertiary alcohol, and with acetaldehyde we can prepare secondary alcohol. So our correct option will be option number B. Next question. Grignard reagent reacts with carbon dioxide to form. So our correct option will be option number B, which is acid. Next question. Which of these is known as Frankland's reagent? So our correct option is option number B, which is R2ZN. Next, the intermediate formed during Reformatsky reaction is RMGX, R2ZN, RLI or R2HG. So our correct option will be option number B, R2ZN. Next question. RLI reacts with carbon dioxide to form. So this reaction in case of organolithium compounds differ from organomagnesium compound, which is Grignard reagent, because Grignard reagent when reacts with carbon dioxide it forms acid, but when RLI reacts with carbon dioxide it forms ketone. So our correct option will be option number C, R2CO. Next, organometallic compounds in order of their decreasing reactivity towards nucleophilic reaction. So for this, the option number C is correct. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.